Hello, in this video we'll be checking a battery inside iPhone 15 and Samsung Galaxy S23 and comparing it. Now let's open our website HardReset.Info, locate both of the devices. Here on Samsung I have the corresponding phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S23 opened, and on the left side we have iPhone 15. Now we can scroll down and look for basic information, and here we should be able to find the battery. And on iPhone we have the Li-ion 3200 milliampere hours, and on the Samsung there's a Li-ion 3900 milliampere hours, and the difference is the 700 of milliampere hours, and the Samsung actually wins here. And one thing to note is when it comes to charging, I've already compared the two of them while being charged by the same charger, and the iPhone lost with 1.9 or 1.5 of watts when it came to the charging performance. You can check out the video if you're interested. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.